I'm a champion, I'm a hero. I'm gonna ride till my tank is zero. I'm a hustler, I'm a gangster. I'm every fucking thing they told ya.
Or maybe I'm a knockoff, maybe I'm just a fraud. Maybe I ain't gon' never see the fucking face of God. Maybe I ain't no Spartan, maybe I ain't no king. But one thing I'ma tell you, I was fucking born to win. Right from me head to me toe, never ready for the war anyway, you know. Any boy step to the dark, I go let up on the floor like a jungle. I me make me gun roar. Me not take this, me not take chat, me not take crap, me not take this, me not take back. Any boy try trip, I go drop, bust and straight, and fucking head back. I see they coming from afar. They got the guns and blades and they approaching my car. Oh, tonight they ain't leaving no stars. They come to leave the day, lay down at the boulevard. Oh, the difference between